Good morning, ma'am. I am Madam Pinalanan and I am your nurse. So, I will be administering 2 liters of oxygen therapy as prescribed by the doctor. Okay, ma'am, may I ask for your name,
Alias Emays Tagala,
your age,
18 years old,
and your birthday?
May 23, 2007.
Okay, ma'am, may I ask for your consent if pwede ba na ako magunitan ang inyong haras?
Sure.
Okay. Okay. Ako sa libutan ang limang Okay, ma'am, based on our vital assessment, normal lang yung mga findings. So, okay, ma'am, I will be setting the oxygenation therapy by nasal cannula. Is this okay for you? So, okay, ma'am, I am now done setting up your oxygenation therapy. Are you okay with your position? Are you comfortable?
Yes.
So, ma'am, before I leave, I made sure that your position is already safe. Thank you.